Here we're given two circles and we're asked to verify that 4, 7 is a point in common to these two circles. So just going to enter in 4 and 7 there. So for C1 you see 4 squared plus 7 squared minus 6 times 4 minus 10 times 7 plus 29. Does that equal 0? So I'll just go to the calculator there, and 4 squared, let's see, I have a calculator here. So 4 squared plus 7 squared minus 24 minus 70 plus 29. What does that equal? It does equal 0, right? Yes. So 4, 7 is an element, or is a member, or whatever, but is on C1. And then we're going to do the same for C2. So you're going to have 4 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 2 times 7 minus 43. Does that equal 0? So we'll just go back up here and we'll do the same thing again. 4 squared plus 7 squared minus 8 minus 14 minus 43 equals 0. It does. So 4, 7 is an element, that should be element E for element of C2. So therefore 4, 7 is common to both C1 and C2.